Now, let me carefully explain how to create an oil painting effect using AI in your app, enhancing your visuals beautifully. Now, let's explore the first method to create an oil painting effect using a unique style in the app, which is available on your phone, enhancing your artistic expression beautifully. First, let's select Add Video. You can also add a photo, but we'll focus on videos for now, as you can see here. Now, let's focus separately on videos. If you have a video, we will carefully search for filters that suit your artistic needs. Choose the one that suits you best. Yes, there are many options available. For example, you can select a vibrant style here. For painting effects, you simply choose a style that best fits your artistic vision, as you can see right here in the options. There are many options available. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Now, if you have a photo, let's explore further. We need a very beautiful photo. So what do? Now let's exit and enter the next section carefully. To create an image, press Alt plus Tools. Here you'll see a text box where you can enter your prompt. For example, if you want a specific theme or subject for your image, type it in clearly. This will guide the AI in generating what you need. There was a picture featuring an oil painting. Now you can simply type 3D and say, "Create me a stunning 3D image." Now, as you can see here, you can create beautiful oil paintings. Just ask GPT in the chat, and it will guide you through. Just ask me for something specific, and I will provide you with detailed instructions, as you can see. There are many prompts available. You can also write your own. If one doesn't suit you, there are 2 more. Now, that's the second method. And that's all for today. Thank you all for watching, wishing you good luck, and goodbye for now.